Kuheanwo toho nĩ thirikari nĩ inyitirwo nĩ maabitha a borithi mwena wa Lungalunga barabara-inĩ ya Nanyuki kĩganda-inĩ gĩa kũiga indo na inyitirwo ĩgĩcenjanio MAKUNIA ĩgĩkĩrwo mangĩ nĩguo yenderio mũingĩ. Na komanda wa borithi gĩcigo-inĩ kĩu nĩwe Adamson Bungei nĩ augĩte merirwo nĩ mũingĩ ũndũ ũcio na makorwo magĩkĩguthũka thĩinĩ wa kĩganda gĩkĩ na kũrĩa makorire fertilizer ĩno ĩgĩcenjanio kuma MAKUNIA macio nginya MAKUNIA ma kambuni ya kĩhĩndĩ.
Even part of this is repackaged.
During our normal operations within the entire command of Nairobi, we got information that there was some illegal business going on within this particular go-down, which is within Lungalunga, within the areas of Nanyuki Road. And our teams who are on the ground were able to come, or rather to check in. And in their normal operation, they were able to find that there was some packaging of the local fertilizer, which was meant to be the subsidy, or it was meant to be supplied by the government as a subsidy. But again, after we got in, we realized that they were doing a repackaging of the same. Of course, this is something that will go under investigation because we are yet to find out why they were repackaging the fertilizer that was meant as a subsidy to the local market or for the local farmers within our country. And that therefore we've been able to arrest a few of the workers and also a manager who is involved in this business. Wondering in this case, who could be doing this? That the food meant for the Kenyans elsewhere, somebody is doing the repackage here.
Subsidy was fertilizer. And these are the bags which have already been repackaged. You see it as a